Ever wondered how much shielding gas you're wasting during welding? It's more than you think. Up to 50% of gas is wasted due to pressure surges and inconsistent flow. This isn't just costly, it hurts weld. Meet the Gas Saver WR2400, the new flow meter regulator built for precision and savings. It's two-stage reduction that eliminates pressure spikes during weld starts. No more gas blasts or turbulence, even as cylinder pressure drops. It locks flow accuracy. The secret is its dual-stage design. It maintains your gas pressure at a steady level from start to finish. No more sudden surges or drops in flow. Forged brass body means this regulator is built tough for the long haul. Even in rough shop conditions, there's a big, easy grip knob for fine adjustments even with gloves on, so you set the exact flow you need. It handles high pressures, up to 250 bar, safely. So it works great on full gas cylinders and demanding jobs. The shatter-resistant polycarbonate flow tube gives 360 degrees visibility. The WR2400 measures and controls your shielding gas so precisely that every drop is used efficiently. By preventing those gas surges and pressure drops, it slashes waste. You use up to half the gas. That's money right back in your pocket. And because the flow is so steady, your welds come out cleaner and stronger every time. No more erratic arcs, just smooth, high-quality results. It is suited for many gases. Friendly to professional welders who demand high performance and efficiency. Whether you're MIG welding, TIG welding, or even using a gas-assisted laser, the Gas Saver WR2400 fits right in. It's a perfect match for any shop that cares about precision and cost savings. John, an industrial welder, confirms gas consumption dropped instantly. Ready to weld smarter? Visit demwelding.com and turn waste into profit.